If you're looking to buy real estate in Spain, the best step is to start a property search mandate or a property hunting mandate with Terreta. So, what exactly does this mandate give you access to in simple terms? It gives you access to having someone from our team assigned to your account who visits apartments for you, becomes your main point of contact, and supports you through every step of the process. You'll also have access to the entire Terreta team. Actually, our team is made up of about 10 people, and each one has their own area of expertise. And when it comes to your case, all of us will be involved. As I mentioned, everyone has their own specialty. Some are experts in renovations, some in property management, others in interior design, and others in transactions, legal checks, and so on. The goal is for you to be able to buy with complete peace of mind, and also to let us go out and find the best possible properties on the market for your budget, especially through off market deals. That is, properties that aren't listed online on portals like Idealista, which is the equivalent of Seloge.com. Of course, we also check all the real estate portals, stay responsive, and take the right steps, because buying in Spain is not the same as buying in France. You'll see for yourself.